Hi, let's solve some puzzles. Like yesterday we were able to get 24. Let's see how many we can get today. Uh, it's okay, and then, uh, okay, I am simply winning. Okay, okay. What's this one? Hmm. Okay, it should be like that. Oh, so I'm just running a rook. That's it. Thought it would be a lot much more than that. Okay, so check it and then okay. Oh, this is nice. So let me just move that. Yeah. Mm. Oh, this is also cool. I have a feeling today I'm even solving much lower rated puzzles than all the people. Like these puzzles just seem more simple than it was solving yesterday. What could this? Oh, this is mate. This is also mate. Uh, do I want to? I don't think I want to. What is here? Okay, I take your takes. Ooh, it's too early to start getting surprised now. Because if I take, he takes. Oh, I have the opposition. Okay. Oh, okay. So then if I can check this is mate. Oh, this is not mate. But that might be defending the queen. I'm lucky the first move was correct either way. Hmm. So that check, he'll have to go here. Oh, but then, oh yeah, I just go with rook, okay. That's quite enough as well. I'll be giving that. And oh, this is gonna be mate. 16, 16. Hmm. What could this be? Isn't this just a two bishop? Maybe? Oh, okay. Oh, 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 check and finish it from there. And I think even the pawn there could have ended the game. I'm not so sure. Oh, take there. Uh, oh yeah, then win the other. I have 36 seconds to reach 24. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh, I win a bishop. Oh, I win a queen. Uh, what now? What now? Okay. See that I don't even know where that was going, but huh. But then I win a rook. And did they just give me time? Oh shit, let me just focus. I'm black. I'm white. I'm black. What am I doing? Oh, he can't just keep this. Is there a way for me to get another? Oh no. God damn it. I almost got 25. Fuck. Oh, no. The profanity has to be censored out. Maybe I will. I doubt anyone is going to reach this far. But hey, 100%. 54 moves. Combo. Okay, I don't know what combo is. 225 seconds. I think this is exactly the same as my last one in the performance, the time per move. And yep, highest sold 1409. This would have been 25. It was so close. Okay. Oh, no, another video for that.